They are not lang. They meet smart. They I can make you. It's very sad. Kapag mobile, I will tip ng mobile pangingin doon hindi ka siyang hao, kumnukran. Mobile can be used. Eh, kan mo pili niya. Em nắm đây có sốc à? Đi được. Hoặc đặt đi đây bạn. Phone. Call him. Hey. No problem. Control your own force. I will control mine. I'm in control. Atun tu. Bila ada depan tu, ngin terus lah. Itu halat. Sentral. Atau lah sentral. Tu asyik wadung punya penghuni orang. They can do whatever you want. If you want to arrest me, you can arrest. If you feel that I have violated, baik pengilik, balik kembali kamu jinuan, balik kamu cuci. Bung tek bung mukul bung nomor try bung depan kamu force ingin masuk. We want to send him a very clear message to mukul sama.
Next time even better than this.
This is just a small town that we are dealing with. They can use force. Okay, it's your choice. It's your choice. It's your choice. Nirungi klam le klam akon. Then when you attack a leader, obviously you should expect what will. Take off your mask if you feel that you're doing what is right. Why do you mask?
We're not Muslims.
Please, they have nothing. They are just doing their duty.
You are dealing with law abiding.
It's a democratic country. We can protest.
Ya Narendra Modi le ya no diktator. Bau expel bagi penrumarang ni apa? They are not lang. They meet smart. They I can make you. It's very sad. Kalau begitu kita bisa akta ru. Naying Kristian kan pek dekat TV ni yang terkasong lagi. But next time lo ringi ki, kalau dek kamram juki bikin, oi bani sebentar kan.
Kanong utara gitu mansa.
Ada ngapat juga jengken, nandang juga jengken juga. Nah, masa bom tu mengampat nusa.
Aku baca sebentar. Ya.
Kumba PI dei ba dan bo PI lam nakmat nei monu pas dang ni kan ni ka jing sedang yo.
Ki polis. Pai ba on tenter ni menu bom menu.
Bom dam long bai dei bu pai ba bu pulit kan. Sedang
Pulit kan? Ni ting isu penperai ke barricade. We have every right because you want to march there.
tambah ikti kan bo.
Dah kekti kan ni. Menu bo use force.
Kawan terus ada kan ni kalimat dia. Kega decision.
Forward march. Nyen song ba ang ni will remain in this street.
Ngamong ba kajay hakum kani kapor nga so kani ka jiwjab. Namar kum ginangalam ni sekren badon kam ikian bagindan agari gaji lagalong nagam ta umba mamdi nagam ta kamarang lagalong nagam ta kajing tay giyeng kisam giji piton kam ikian ndai kai kalawan sindat kalong bangimla ban pedeng ti yaman ta nilai hun kum ginangalam ban ngi thir bun hun deinam deina kum ginangalam nila pedeng ban ngi to mafiru bun pedeng namar kampat kut menta gasni daga jimbam dan chief minister nila lawan shimsha yikini girai sebab ngan puli kini kadang ketin Norway yang paling penting sebagai itu agak ketin kejungi. Kini kadang karai yang kecinglang balai lam dari bahagian yang bersama Emily tolong mentakasi hata jaga terikam in the office chamber of the Honorable Home Minister in the presence of Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, Additional Chief Secretary in charge Home, Additional Secretary Chief Secretary in charge Urban Affairs, Shri L. Khakmor MDC Nong Thamai, and others. The meeting was chaired by Srimati R. Wadri, Honorable Minister in charge Home Police. Extra welcome all the members present. She requested Shri Adan M. Saimat Emily to apprise the meeting about the issues related to the implementation of the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2011. The following were the issues raised by Shri A. M. Saimat Emily. Number 1, to withdraw the notification for some more time before making it applicable to Shillong Master Plan areas for the following reasons. Number 1, more time is required for publicity. 2, low-income group economically weaker sections are facing difficulties in obtaining electricity water connection through line department. Number 2, registered land documents are not available with most of land owners outside the municipal areas. 3, after thorough discussion, the following decisions were taken. Mudi lahaban chimi kini gerai na marabu chimi na saum dan kasi kalong tang ke jingplu di kapor. Tendrai kampat kut ke jingki la ke sorkar kale kai. Tendrai ka rai ke mangilala angasro. Nagaleng ke jingi kumpat kapol na shispa na singil hun wala dengi mun shispa na shispa. Kabankong kalong balarai ban pulang awareness program will be conducted by the Urban Affairs Department in Shillong Master Plan areas outside the municipal jurisdiction. Kamdan ka jing pensyai jing pesutu patba. Nagaleng ka Urban Affairs Department I would begin to Jaka Giva for Shillong Master Plan. I would about Shabar Jing municipal area. Number 2, registered documents are not insisted upon while submitting the proposal for building permission if not available, especially outside the Shillong municipal areas. Can you everybody go getting Kaba Yong Ba? Happen I registered, no? Nanung in your registered, you're going to away. But Nanishwam then come show you a registered document. Nantagabala for construction of building in an area of 75 square meter and below building fee is exempted. I would able to jishna gi ke ba new square meter government kata the building fee don kam show banshim. No building permission is required for construction of thatch houses. But don kam show the permission banshim na nishmat gi biret. Site plan for construction of building less than 50 square meter area will be prepared by MUDA free of cost. Rather than come and pundai to MUDA from the come and CEA. Special teams will be set up to expedite issue of occupancy certificate for the completed buildings. Modigini berada bro menta kandang ke special team. Kapan kena malaman ayo ya kata certificate kodon kam. 7. The department will take up the matter with PHE and MECL regarding issue of water supply and electricity connection to low-income group building. Ikitu berada bersama kiyeng barai ba apa harus kanta nagaleng juki kin khot ke MECL ba PHE ba kinde ban penuit lani bandang bujinge. Kabakatu karai along the department will further examine the proposal and put up the matter before the Chief Minister at the earliest. Jika dulu ke jekran mantan bau Chief Minister, bahan dalam pai hati CRC kan sedang dan ke jekran bat bangin nang wanra ikirai di bakhamba. Tengah semua yang mentah ini mahu Chief Minister dan keiga jimen jauh juga ingat hari pediang. Lain. Kadai kita nyepat kita simpan mentah kasih. Bagian semua tu ban simkia, balara dan company biang saisian deben milut porok kat kita kisnong di bisaksa. Jangan jangan. Ini deben milut. Nyimbai ban penlian ban yo apa mai? Presto meno apa mai meno? Yang sa, ini belum tak. Jadi benih lang. Wak mga benda ni ro sapit nda kasi. Mele ya sapit pergi ki pada. Di Indonesia sistem lang. Kita luar kita kataw, kani kani rai ke pengilisim, bat nyen up sisi RC ya kai ka respon nak yang Chief Minister bagandon nama orang bangida kwa bani kendu orang nak yang juga ngala persang banne ka bala anda himi no ki. Tengok bagi hukum ini kan dia menjasuh. Lada pi buram ini, lada ini buram ini, biru buram ini. Waktu ini kita nak suruh. Barang ba, soal kita kau suruh resit. Mari ini lo lagi tu empat ba. Ke, ni semua orang ingat you play buat lagi ni kemarin. Kata, right nak jeng penuit, bahkan ni empat ba ngelaban poi. Di mana ngelaban poi ya ki minister keberantai balak kemangilaban dong. Andai kumpulan ngelam keberantai jeng klik ngelas sangat orang ni. Tengi kuat bapin pensau syaka sorkar ba khamtam shu Chief Minister pasmo ba ban buram lem ya ka jinge jengki pat khasi kiban hakri long khasi ke jinge te nirma la chu ban shu sha leben nirma ila chu nang ni shikmat tenga sno ba ka engkran kini ki jinge ki baki pai baki kendo te laweng mentaka sini ba nang pendek nang ni syakmat tengah try kalau kepada yang ngiru kum jinong alam bagaimana apa tu ban om susah ban susah yang kat pemon mah akan mi ke yang kat pem itra ndek de bendolong kisnong ki thau jing nang ni smart kini penat namar nyalam hikai pi nang ni smart kum no pin snai ki yang kesem ndai su ban sule turmur kapa kwa ka tolong mangalawat kidan ki marjan junga ki besna yang tangai pilot lai mala tamani aiwai kata kam nong apa ma kalau ke pilih hon ni ke jipumna kum kata jong ka jingping ni ra i ki jingping baro